In Lecture 4, we learned that ocean circulation is complex. Because of its complex circulation patterns, as well as other factors, understanding CO2 and how it's absorbed into and vented out of oceans is difficult. The rate that carbon dioxide dissolves into oceans is controlled partially by the partial pressure of CO2 in the overlying atmosphere, as well as temperature. As carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases, more carbon dioxide is dissolved in oceans. But as this graph shows, as temperatures warm, the solubility of carbon dioxide decreases and less carbon dioxide can be absorbed. As this slide shows, many other processes contribute to the amount of carbon dioxide that oceans take up. For example, algae in oceans take up carbon dioxide by photosynthesis. But many processes can affect algal production, including temperature and nutrients. Warmer temperatures should increase photosynthesis by algae and thus increase uptake of carbon dioxide. But warmer temperatures may also reduce upwelling and the nutrients coming from depth. This could reduce algae and carbon dioxide uptake. Changes in ocean currents and stratification could also affect carbon dioxide in oceans. Deep ocean currents bring cold water to the surface, which can take up more carbon dioxide. But if ocean currents slow, this could reduce oceans' ability to take up carbon dioxide. Understanding the role of oceans in the Earth's climate system and carbon cycle is challenging. The speed at which carbon dioxide is exchanged between the oceans and other spheres varies and can be considered moderate overall. Exchanges at the surface can occur relatively fast, but exchanges with the deep water occur more slowly. The slowest process in the carbon cycle is the rock cycle, which operates over thousands to millions of years. Carbon dioxide and water in the atmosphere can form carbonic acid. This removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and the acid dissolves rocks, releasing calcium and silica ions. This process is referred to as chemical weathering. Calcium and silica are delivered to oceans, where microorganisms build cell walls comprised of opaline silica, SiO2 with water, and calcium carbonate. These organisms include diatoms, radiolarians, and forams, as shown in the photos. When these organisms die, they become part of the ocean floor sediments, which are buried and stored at depth. This takes carbon out of the atmosphere into oceans and eventually into the lithosphere. Another part of the rock cycle are volcanoes, which release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere from the very deep earth.